Hello everyone and welcome! Today we are embarking on a fascinating journey to explore a flower that possesses a unique and profoundly mysterious beauty from the heart of the jungle, the Tacca chantrieri, more commonly known as the black bat flower. This plant doesn't boast vibrant colors, yet it captivates every eye with its bizarre form, resembling a creature from another realm. But behind that gothic, mesmerizing appearance lies an incredible story of history, survival, and adaptation. Although the black bat flower has long existed in tropical rainforests, it was only officially recognized by the botanical world at the dawn of the 20th century. The person credited with the first scientific description of this species was the French botanist Édouard André in 1901. He gave it the scientific name Tacca chantrieri. Besides its formal name, the flower has many regional nicknames that perfectly reflect its unique shape. The bat flower, for the two large bracts resembling bat wings, the cat's whiskers, or even the devil flower, alluding to its mysterious and somewhat sinister appearance. The black bat flower is a characteristic resident of the tropical and subtropical rainforest of Asia. It is widely native to Southeast Asia, including Vietnam, Thailand, and certain southern provinces of China, and can also be found in India, Sri Lanka, and Bangladesh. Its ideal environment is beneath a dense canopy where humidity is high, temperatures are cool year-round, and sunlight only filters through in dappled rays. It often grows along stream banks, in valleys, and on rich humus soil, acidic soil, with a pH of about 4.5 6.5 at elevations ranging from 170 to 1,500 meters above sea level. Tacca chantrieri is a perennial herbaceous plant. It grows from a creeping rhizome rootstock underground. The plant produces flowers and fruit annually, typically flowering around July-August and fruiting in September-October. However, due to its strict requirements for humidity and light, large-scale cultivation and propagation remain challenging, making it rare in the wild and vulnerable to threats like deforestation. Mature plants typically reach a height of about 60-70 centimeters, 24-28 inches. The leaves have long petioles and large, lance-shaped or oval blades, deep green and glossy. The highlight is the four large bracts surrounding the actual flowers. The two outer bracts are smaller, but the two inner bracts are huge, heart-shaped or fan-shaped, with a color that transitions from greenish to deep purple-black or pure black when mature, perfectly resembling the wings of a flying bat or a spooky mask. Dangling from the center of the cluster are dozens of slender, filamentous bracteoles, long whiskers, that can reach 30-40 centimeters, 12-16 inches in length, creating the appearance of a tiger's whiskers or the tentacles of a deep-sea creature. The actual flowers are smaller, displaying a purple-black or purplish-black color, a hue rarely seen in nature, which contributes to its majestic and mysterious aura. The structure of the black bat flower is perhaps its greatest paradox, given its somber color and the long, dangling whiskers, a feature known as sapromyophyly. Botanists initially assumed this plant mimicked rotting flesh or dung to attract carrion or dung flies for cross-pollination. This is known as a deceit syndrome. Despite this extravagant display, most scientific studies suggest that Tacca chantrieri primarily relies on autonomous self-pollination, self-fertilization. The structure of the flower, with its helmet-like stamens, often makes it difficult for larger flies to reach the pollen and successfully exit, leading to limited cross-pollination. While self-pollination is dominant, the flower is still visited. Small insects, such as midges, ceratopogoniid, midges, and possibly fungus gnats, are believed to be the most effective, as they are small enough to navigate the complex floral structure. Why would a plant invest so much energy in such a showy, unusual display if it mostly self-pollinates? The prevailing theory suggests a possible evolutionary relic. Perhaps Tacca chantrieri once had a stronger relationship with a now rare or extinct specialized pollinator. Beyond its striking ornamental beauty, the blackbat flower holds significant value, especially in traditional and modern medicine. The rhizome underground stem of Tacca chantrieri has been used traditionally across Southeast Asia to treat various ailments including high blood pressure, gastric ulcers and intestinal inflammation, skin burns, relieving body and stomach pains. Contemporary studies have focused heavily on compounds isolated from the rhizome, such as saponins and diaryl heptanoids. Most notably, a group of compounds called taccolonolides has shown promising results in cancer research. Taccolonolides have been found to act as microtubule stabilizing agents similar to some existing chemotherapy drugs like taxanes. Crucially, they have demonstrated the ability to shrink multiple drug-resistant tumors in mouse models, offering a promising avenue for developing new cancer treatments. The blackbat flower, Tacca chantrieri, is not just a wonder of the plant world, but also holds significant value, particularly in herbal medicine. Its haunting beauty and deep mystery remind us of the boundless diversity and the critical need to conserve the rainforest ecosystem. Thank you for joining me in exploring this extraordinary flower. I look forward to seeing you in our next programs.